What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, the E30 is back, and so is Mason.
What's up?
So this is doing kind of a first drive. It's been driven quite a few times, but this is the first time Mason's been able to get it back up here. So what we did last night was take it, try to get it a little bit tuned, a little street tuning. Did it for like 2 hours, got a little bit of headway, but Mason did some research last night, and we're hoping to fix that problem. But today, the first thing we're going to do is go get some breakfast. Alright, so we have picked up food, Fuego, shameless plug. They should be plugged all the time, it's amazing.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor, you're right. If they were, that'd be incredible. Mason has dialed in a little bit of a tune this morning. It's ripped pretty well, so we'll show y'all some pulls here in a minute. A little bit of that tire spin.
God, this thing's awesome. Oh, it's so
yeah.
good.
Oh yeah. That may have been the best pull yet.
See if there's a turn somewhere I can get sideways. I think if we get out here a little ways in Mexico, we can do some donuts.
Alright, we are in Mexico. This is what Mexico looks like. So Mason's gonna send it. Yeah, I just got stranded on the side of the road. It's really pretty though. A little lake over there and a little creek running over here. So I'm all about it. But we're gonna get some rolling shots. I don't know what my hair's doing. Got a lot of it. Need to get a haircut. Let's do this. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to do it for this episode. We just finished shooting a couple drive-bys, snapping a couple photos, all that good stuff. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell Mason how cool his car is, and put your project in the comments below. And we will catch y'all next time. Later.